What's up, guys? We're getting ready to do some ice fishing tomorrow, so trying to get things all ready to go. Got the heater, ice sled, got the tent, poles, new Instinct boots that I got that I'm super stoked to try out in the snow this year. So I can't wait to try them out. But anyways, I'll be the first to admit I'm not the biggest fisherman in the world. Not the greatest fisherman by any means. It's something that I do mostly because I like to eat them, and I really enjoy just going out and doing something that I don't seem to take quite as serious. It's just a nice way to get out and kind of enjoy being outside and just having some fun. So anyways, it's gonna be good. We'll get things all put together tonight, and then take off first thing in the morning and get in. Hopefully we can get up in there and get some fish. I can't wait. It's gonna be fun. Be the first trip of the year, so stay tuned. Alright guys, well, we just woke up this morning to a little bit of snow, so first ice fishing trip of the year, so should be good. We're excited. Every year I get excited to go out and do it. Like I said, I just don't take it very serious, and it's just a way to go relax and have fun. So anyways, to get fueled up and get some stuff and get out of here. Alright guys, one of the absolute necessity for every trip I go on is these rock stars. Green apples, dude, they are the absolute best. And in all seriousness, I don't know if I could do half the stuff that we end up going out and doing without them, because I'm not a morning person. Jigging, Bray? Okay, Bray, here. Put your hands on it. Put your other hand around it. Okay, we got one. Yeah! Go slow. Did you catch one?
Yeah! Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah, we got a little one.
Dude, these look like chubs to me, dude.
We got...
Right here, baby.
Woo!
It's a little one.
Oh,
crap! Oh crap! Almighty! This one's getting bit.
Well, reel it in, baby.
Look at that string.
Oh,
Is that Brixton's? You got Brixton's full.
That's what it
Here,
is.
let me get you cleared out.
Fish on! Just keep your tip pointed up. Mom gonna get one, Bray?
That must be the lucky hole.
Yeah. Good job, Mommy. Woohoo! There you go, Jer. Bring it up. Oh yeah. Fish on.
just gonna. Put some meat in there.
Why?
No.
That's how you. It's got the seasoning and batter on them, darling.
Just like put it in there and shake it around. Braylee, do you want to eat some fish?
Yeah.
Cook some of this up.
What did you do, Daddy?
Started cooking some fish.
Metal.
Alright, got some of the fish fried up now.
I want some.
Hey, tasty, huh? You want to try some?
I want to try some too.
Eat it. Is it yummy? Here, Bricks. What do you think it tastes like?